Hey guys, it's Tricky Ricky here on Magic Academy, and today we have the mystery bag. Watch this. Little handkerchief goes inside the bag. Watch this very closely, folks, because in just a few seconds, a little wave, snap of the fingers, and the handkerchief completely gone. How we do this one? Stick around, the explanation's up next. To perform the mystery bag, you're gonna need several things. One, you're gonna need 2 paper bags, a small object, I used a handkerchief, a glue stick, and, with your parents' help, scissors. To prepare the mystery bag, you're gonna take one of your bags and cut along the inseam of the paper bag, right there in the very center. Then you're gonna go along one of the diagonal seams and then cut at the very bottom edge of that bag. Follow that edge again to one of the diagonal seams and right back up to the very center inseam of the bag. Once you've cut that, you're going to be left with one of these. Now, once you have that, you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to glue along the 2 flaps. You turn the whole thing around and then glue along the bottom of this piece. Take this insert and place it in your other bag alongside one of the walls. Just like this. Then you lift up one of your flaps and push it tightly along the inside of the bag, pressing it on the outside just like this. The glue will secure it to the wall of the bag. You do that to the other side. Again, lift your flap, hand goes inside the bag, and secure it all the way down to the very bottom, just like this. Run your fingers along the bottom of the bag, again, securing the glue very tightly. Now what you've made is a bag with a pocket, and that's your secret. To perform the trick, make sure your object fits inside the pocket you've created. Take your object, place it into the pocket of the bag, just like this. And then you're ready to either just show the bag after you said your magic word, just like this, or you can rip it and magically show the bag has disappeared. Again, this is absolutely one of my favorites. And the best part about this trick is that you can use any little object you like. You can use a coin, you can use a pencil, you can use a card, you can use anything that fits inside that little pocket. Again, guys, have fun with this one. I hope you will. This is Tricky Ricky. We'll see you guys later on Magic Academy.